Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK important dates questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers. There it would be helpful for you. We are having CMAT crash course which includes day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is rupees 1999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is rupees 299. Link is given in description, and please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which of the following occasions, festivals may fall in the same month as per Vikram Samvat calendar? The correct answer is C, that is 1 and 3, that is Holi and Mahashivratri. So, Holi and Mahashivratri is the festivals which fall in the same month. Let's check the next question. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas is celebrated on dash. The correct answer is B, that is 15th November. So, Janjatiya Divas dedicated to the memory of brave tribal freedom fighters so that coming generation can know about their sacrifices for the country. So, the date is the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda and who is reserved as Bhagwan by tribal communities across the country. Let's check the next question. World Brain Day is celebrated every year on dash. The correct answer is B, 22nd July. World Brain Day is dedicated to raising awareness and promoting advocacy related to brain health. Let's check the next question. On which of the following dates of a month is International Translation Day recognized? The correct answer is C, 30th September. Let's check the next question. National Legal Services Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is D, 9th November. So, it is for the enactment of the Legal Service Authority, Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. Let's check the next question. World Alzheimer's Day is observed on dash. The correct answer is C, 21st September. Let's check the next question. World Bamboo Day is celebrated every year on which of the dates of a month to increase the awareness of bamboo globally? The correct answer is B, 18th September. So, the aim of the Bamboo Day is to raise the awareness to conserve and promote the bamboo industry. Let's check the next question. Food Processing Week was observed by the Ministry of Food Processing Industry from dash. The correct answer is C, that is 6th to 12th September. Let's check the next question. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of the month? The correct answer is C, 3rd May. Let's check the next question. International Chess Day is celebrated on dash. The correct answer is E, 20th July. On 12th December 2019, the General Assembly proclaimed 20 July was World Chess Day. The establishment of the International Chess Foundation in Paris in 1924. Let's check the next question. Every year, International Tiger Day is celebrated on dash. The correct answer is E, 29th July. So, this day was founded in 2010 when the 13 tiger range countries came together to increase the global goal to double the number of wild tigers by the year 2022. Let's check the next question. World Heritage Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is B. 18th April. Let's check the next question. When is World Wildlife Day celebrated? The correct answer is C. That is March 3rd. Let's check the next question. On which of the following dates of a month World Radio Day is celebrated? The correct answer is D. That is 13th February. Let's check the next question. World Cancer Day is celebrated on which day? The correct answer is A. That is Feb 4th. Let's check the next question. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on which of the following days? The correct answer is D. 24th January. So, the Government of India in 2008 declared 24th January to be celebrated as the National Girl Child Day. The purpose is to raise the consciousness of the society towards the girl child so that she can be valued and respected. Let's check the next question. World Cotton Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is D. 7th October. Let's check the next question. World Water Day is observed on. The correct answer is A. March 22nd. Let's check the next question. On which of the following dates of the month National Mathematics Day is celebrated? The correct answer is C. That is 22nd December. Let's check the next question. National Farmers Day is celebrated on which of the following dates of a month? The correct answer is C. That is 23rd December. So, Farmer Day is celebrated every year on 23rd December on the birthday of the 5th Prime Minister of India, that is Chaudhary Charan Singh, also a farmer leader. Let's check the next question. World Hindi Day is celebrated on which day? The correct answer is D. Jan 10th. Let's check the next question. World Biofuel Day is celebrated every year on which of the following dates? The correct answer is B. 10th August. Let's check the next question. When is National Pollution Control Day celebrated? The correct answer is D. December 2nd. So, National Pollution Control Day 2021 is observed annually on 2nd December to remember the people who lost lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. Let's check the next question. Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? The correct answer is A. June 21st. Let's check the next question. In which year was UNESCO founded? The correct answer is B. 1945. The exact date is 16th November 1945. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.